Welcome to ZingKidz.
General knowledge. What color are the leaves in autumn? Red is the correct answer. Which shape has 3 sides? Triangle is the correct answer. What do you use to make a call? Telephone is the correct answer. What animal has a mane and roars? Lion is the correct answer. What do you use to tie your hair? Hairbrush is the correct answer. What color are strawberries? Red is the correct answer. Which month comes before July? June is the correct answer. What animal hops and carries a pouch? Kangaroo is the correct answer. What do you use to play music? Guitar is the correct answer. What shape is a traffic light? Square is the correct answer. What do you use to wash dishes? Sponge is the correct answer. What color are oranges? Orange is the correct answer. Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe is the correct answer. What do you wear on your hands in winter? Gloves is the correct answer. Which animal barks and wags its tail? Dog is the correct answer. What do you use to fly a kite? String is the correct answer.